Hey there, data heroes. Time to revolutionize your data with no-code data apps. Today, we're diving into how Astrato and Snowflake come together to democratize live and secure access to your data cloud. Let's get started. In Astrato, you can build interactive data apps for all business users, fit for revolutionizing your data. Astrato stays fast and secure with all compute in Snowflake. Astrato's live Writeback, leveraged machine learning and customizable dashboarding is layered on top of Snowflake. Astrato is a connected app sitting on top of Snowflake as well as a Snowflake technology partner. The fun doesn't stop there. We are Snowflake Data Superhero approved with Peers Bachelor in our product team. Astrato is built for live query. We keep the data in Snowflake where it belongs and never replicate it. This means more agility. Snowflake's speed, simplicity, and scalability are yours to command in Astrato, no need to reinvent the wheel. Faster performance means that you're not limited by in-memory or cube architecture shortcomings and can effortlessly work across billions of rows of data. Enterprise security from Snowflake is done right once. Secure analysis is done in real time. All existing and future Snowflake SQL functionality is baked into Astrato. First up, let's talk Writeback. With Astrato's live Writeback, you're not just reacting, you're orchestrating change in real time. Let's update an existing record. Here, we log and then visualize the change we make, so we do not change existing data. Everything changed is traceable, removing the need for recovery. We can add comments and interact in forms to make decisions directly in our data app. Writeback removes data silos, keeping your business in sync, keeping data and decisions together. Introducing our ability to leverage Snowpark. Write Python, talk data. We can feed a parameter into a Snowpark-powered visualization using a simple Writeback form to drive a forecast. No more picking up the phone to ask for changes. No more raising tickets. Turn algorithms into answers without ever leaving your comfort zone. From forecasting to clustering, generative AI, connecting to your favorite tools, our Snowpark for Python pass-through makes Astrato the most flexible tool for building no-code data apps, best paired with Astrato's actions. Next, self-service from Astrato Custom Reports. Your data, in the shape you want it, displayed in your favorite chart. A walled garden for all business users. Liberation from outdated copies of data. Always analyze live on the latest data. Always downloadable for offline viewing in Excel in the format of your choosing. You're not just crunching numbers now, you're painting data. Generative AI is supporting Astrato in transforming the landscape of analytics, enabling anyone to harness the power of data. Astrato's AI-accelerated insights democratizes analytical understanding, catering to all users, whether they're builders or analytics consumers. From interpreting charts and tables to elucidating industry-specific metrics, Insights saves you hours of research while instantaneously making sense of any data. Insights Discover helps you explore your data and discover new insights with new visualizations and new stories to tell. This next capability is as cool as it sounds: time travel. No, we're not breaking the laws of physics, but we are bending the rules of data management. With Snowflake's time travel and Astrato's real-time capabilities, you're not just looking at a snapshot, you're getting a full-on, interactive time-lapse of your data. Imagine being able to rewind the clock to see how your data looked last week, last month, or even last year. It's like having a time machine for your data, and it's all possible with Astrato layered on top of Snowflake. With Astrato and Snowflake, time is literally on your side. Now the creator-first experience. Zero to hero, just like that. You don't need a manual, you'll be a data hero from day one. Let's stay connected. Connecting to Snowflake is fast and simple. You can choose your warehouse and role to suit your connection. You can alternatively use our enterprise authentication to link one-to-one, having different roles per user, leveraging your existing roles in Snowflake. We've supported customers with thousands of roles, removing the need for duplicating security rules, with Astrato inheriting security policies directly from Snowflake, PII, and row-based security solved. Military-grade security, done right once. Time to create a data view in our semantic layer. A data view can be the layer feeding into multiple Astrato workbooks. Once you have selected your tables, add in joins from join suggestions and validate the join quality and change join direction if you are a true data pro. You may want to create a custom measure for calculations needed on the fly. We've designed the experience to be reminiscent of writing math on a whiteboard. You can nest your measures with brackets and can even filter. We show the SQL too, so you're not locked into any vendor-specific data analytics expression language. Store all of your key measures and dimensions here, including bucketed and drill-through dimensions. You can also add custom SQL if you code like a pro. Building visualizations is intuitive. It's the same as what you know from classic data visualization tools with a modern feel. Custom-styled visualizations are just a few clicks away. Filtering doesn't require any expression language whatsoever. As usual, we're showing the query for all data objects, so that you can run the same queries in Snowflake for a single version of the truth. No more comparing data between BI tools and the data warehouse. Time for actions, the secret sauce of Astrato. Set it and forget it. Go beyond just automating tasks, orchestrating your data's performance. Drag, drop, and let your data dance to your tune. Actions in Astrato allow you to automate or trigger visual changes based on user interaction with your dashboard without writing any code. You can define actions like automating visual changes using filters or adding interactive actions with a click of a button. We've covered the key parts of our end user experience for data apps. There is still a place for traditional reporting though. Let's not forget the classic, straightforward report, because with simplicity comes power. Your team, out in the field, doesn't have time for bells and whistles. What they need is the bread and butter data they can digest in one look. A report from Astrato is like an espresso shot, no fuss, but it hits you with what you need to know. Your team gets their info, makes the call, and moves right on. Astrato is not just a standalone tool, it seamlessly becomes a part of your native ecosystem, right where you need it most. Your data-driven insights are always just a click away, enhancing your decision-making process. For the teams working with other tools and working with data on the go, embedded analytics is key. Take Astrato wherever you go. It's not just a standalone tool, it's part of your native ecosystem. Take Astrato to where your decisions are made. All right, Snowflake data heroes, you've just had a front row seat to how Astrato supercharges your Snowflake experience. From live Writeback to real-time, AI-accelerated insights, we're taking Snowflake's capabilities and turning the dial up to 100. You're not just a bystander in this data revolution, you're the data activist. With Astrato and Snowflake combined, you're not just skimming the surface, you're diving deep to unearth actionable insights. So, why settle for less? Unleash the full power of your Snowflake data with Astrato. Because here, you're not just finding answers, you're uncovering the game-changing questions that propel your business forward. Elevate your Snowflake game with Astrato and let your data do the talking.